Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video to do, coming from good old Amazon. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we're about to find out what's inside. And of course, you guys can get one too, or three. All you gotta do is click the link down below and check these guys out. Leeioo-Dashboard. Boom. Car mount. Oh yeah. For your phone. I got my phone's on charge right now. There we go. Nice little stack of stuff to give somebody. Okay. Oh, this is nice. 3M tape for the mount. It does swivel. There you go. Rotate, perfect. Side to side. Nice. And we got magnetic wipes to wipe it down, the surface. And we got other sticky 3M Leeioo-Dashboard. Okay. Wipe down the surface, apply that one sticker, and then the magnetic will connect with it and hold it in place. Just swivel. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, all you gotta do is take wipe one, and this around here is good, and it's somewhere in the center. Wipe it good, make sure it's wet, cleaned up. I picked the wrong iPhone for this one. I should have done the Pro, but that was the one that's handy. And then you take wipe number 2. It says number 2. Cut it open. Make sure you don't cut it. And then this will dry it up. This is what it looks like, little dude. And just go around that area you wipe down and go like that. That should be good to put down the decal or the magnetic 3M. This one, or I'll go with this one. I like the black one. There we go. So really cool. And let's peel it from the back. That's what it looks like without the 3M. Just put it on your phone. Bada boom. There we go. And then, oops. Whoa. Oops. Phone's good. Twist. Right there. Well, this is for your car dashboard. My car's in the shop, so perfect swivel. Pretty strong magnetic. Probably good over road bumps, pretty good. It'll hold its place. Watch it sideways. There we go. There we go. So really good one to get, coming from these guys. Perfect for stocking stuffers this holiday season. So get them now before they're sold out. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See ya.